What excites us so much about going to the Quartzsite RV show every year is being able to connect with people from all over the world. We all know the frustrations that can come with RV ownership, especially RV suspension, but being able to educate and inform folks that their worries of a bad driving coach are over is a true beacon of joy for us at WeldTec Designs. What we really love seeing is past customers who are enjoying their rigs to the fullest because they are equipped with a WeldTec Designs suspension package. We can't wait till next year to meet more of you. Only 345 days till Quartzsite 2025. See you soon.
All right, guys, I'm hanging out at the Quartzsite RV show, and one of my favorite things is meeting customers that have our suspension already on it. And I'm hanging out. Let's see, there is Stanley right here. And Stanley, where are you from?
Well, I live in my RV, so I'm from Quartzsite right now.
Awesome. And now, how long ago did we do the suspension on your RV?
Late October last year, around Halloween.
Awesome. And we went with what kit?
The 6-inch lift and the big tires.
And the big tires. And so,
and the stabilizer.
Steering stabilizer. And so tell me, what has been the biggest thing that you've benefited by having this suspension on your RV?
As soon as I drove it down the road, I noticed how the back end was behaving itself.
Wasn't getting all that, just all mush.
You could sense some travel.
Yeah.
You weren't banging into everything that you hit.
Right.
And now that I'm in the dirt, out in the desert, going through the rollies, I can really sense the front end nice and easy doing the stuff. It doesn't bottom out, it doesn't top out, it doesn't
and now,
hang around.
How is it on the highway?
It's nice. I like it. You don't have, I'm not as tense.
That's huge, you know?
Yeah. Your hands at 9 and 5. I'm going 55 because I'm not in a hurry when the semis go by. It's just a little bit of a lean, not a lot. And then a little bit when they go past you. I don't have to worry. I can't do it like he does with a left hand.
We talk about that. It's really about the return to center, because the faster the RV can return back to center, the more that you feel like you're in control. The more it wallows and kind of goes, you're like, oh, that's that pucker factor.
It doesn't wallow.
Right.
It's just a little lean both ways, and then you're done with it. You know?
Well, thank you so much for stopping by and saying hi. I love this so much. So thank you very much. And another happy customer. This is great. I love it. Guys, it just continues. I'm hanging out in Quartzsite, and of course, I get more people coming by that are loving the WeldTec Design suspension, this time on their van, and it is a road trek van. And now, guys, tell me, how long has it been? How long have you had it on there, though?
2 months.
2 months. And what do you think?
The ride is better. We're not worried about the speed bumps anymore or getting on and off ferries. It's the ride is different than it was.
Nice.
The ride's much better.
And now you also said, like, the big thing is now you're not worried about more damage or preventative maintenance, like as far as just damaging even everything that's underneath that as well.
Yeah, our model is has a reputation for being very low.
Right.
And guys are ripping out plumbing fittings or hitting the generator or ripping tanks out. So those problems are gone.
Nice.
Plus we look cooler.
And that's another thing you were saying is now people are stopping. They want to talk to you guys and say, like, what the heck did you guys do to this?
Yeah.
It looks awesome, right? I mean, that's...
Yeah.
You're going to get more people calling.
Hey.
Yeah, right on, man.
Dude, I love this. It's so fun hanging out with people and just seeing what they think of their WeldTec Designs kit. I love running into customers, especially with hair and a beard. Like, dude, if I could have hair like that guy, oh my gosh. So this is Lou. Lou, well, you have a WeldTec Designs kit. Tell me what you have.
I have the WeldTec Baja Grocery Getter.
With progressive springs.
With the Fox shocks.
Yep. So our complete performance package.
Yes, with the driving
steering stabilizer.
Yes.
And you are running 35-inch tires, dude. He went big. Go big.
Yes.
So you're from New Jersey.
Yes.
And you're out here just cruising? What do you got?
I'm out here. I come out to Quartzsite to get away from the cold.
Yeah.
There's a rally going on down there that I'm all signed up for.
Nice.
I wanted to see the big tent.
Nice.
Hopefully, I wasn't expecting to see Jeremy here.
We're here hanging out.
Jeremy at the rally in Quartzsite.
And now, where can people find you? You're on Instagram.
I'm on Instagram. Cuts and Shoots 1. My name's Lou. Same thing on YouTube. You look for me there. There's not a lot of videos on there now. But
he says he's going to be working on that.
I'm working on them now out here in
We want
Quartzsite.
more WeldTec videos on Lou's page of him off-roading his Ford van, having a good time.
Yes.
That's, of course, what we want. So go send him some love. That way, you know, maybe it'll encourage him a little bit more. But we're hanging out. We're talking vans. We're having a good time. Into customer John. This is him. He is awesome. He came up. All right, so how long ago did we do your motorhome?
4 years ago.
Okay.
I drove to La Mesa because it wouldn't get in my driveway. I needed clearance. You guys were the only ones I could find within geographic distance to put a lift on it. But your lift was incorporated a lot more. It made my vehicle ride like a Cadillac, from a pickup truck to a Cadillac. And it saves your dishes. It saves the rattling. It saves me screaming at my wife to go tighten something down. It is incredible.
That is awesome. Now, have you done any big trips? What have you been doing with it?
I've driven to Key West. I've driven to Washington. I've driven to Michigan. I've been to 4 Oceans last year.
Okay.
So coast to coast, and
so you've been putting miles on it. So you're really like, it's not like you've put 200 miles on it or 1,000 miles on it.
10,000 miles a year over the last 4 years.
See, and that is awesome. And now, just overall, like, feeling less fatigued when driving it?
Absolutely. Crosswind, especially on I-40 between Winslow and Gallup.
Yeah.
There's always notorious crosswind. It's easy.
That is awesome.
Easier.
Dude. Yeah. No, yeah, I mean, they're always big, but that is great. I love hearing this. This is what makes it all worth it.
It was worthwhile after I paid for it, after I found out. Because initially, I was like, ooh. But then after you drive it for a day, it's like, this was well worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm stoked. Thank you.
That is awesome. I love hearing that. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you want to experience what it's like, hey, schedule a test drive. Come hang out with us. We'll teach you all about suspension. Thank you.